Welcome back to Rora Off-Road. Today's adventure, we're going to do a little few-hour trip up at Eagle Rock outside Colorado Springs. Just a little quick trail, not too difficult, a little rock crawling, a little bit of scenery. So stay tuned and enjoy the adventure. I haven't really ever gone over what the Rora Jeep is running on, what we have in there. So let's go ahead and take a little tour of that. We're running 40s with Fusion axle set D60s. Raceline wheel beadlock monsters. We got a Poison Spider front bumper with a Warren 10,000K winch. And for steering, we're running the PSC big bore kit. We got some RCV front axles, a rock crawler tie rod, and a Yeti XD drag link. For lighting, we run the JW speakers. Along with the rigid cube. Right now I have my amber covers on there just to protect it. Suspension wise, we're running the King coilover suspension from Evo Manufacturing. It's a bolt-on kit, front and rear. Running on rock crawler control arms. We also do run the front Curry anti-rock, or actually now it's called Rock Jock. In the rear I have a custom-made box. Carries all my recovery gear, my ARB compressor, tools, just different drawers, whole different stuff, my camping survival stuff. We do have a slide out cooking tray, and also a slide out for my ice chest, eventually going to be converted over for my fridge freezer. I run a inverter, 1000 watt continuous and 2000 watt peak for all my electronics, and on top of my box I have a charging pad for all my electronics, cameras, GoPros, drones, radio equipment. On the inside of the cockpit I do have the Super Chips computer. I run a Kenwood ham radio. I have a tablet for my navigational internet connections. Along the top, from High Vis Overlanding, it's their High Vis dock. And then for my sunshade needs, I run a Spider Shade, custom. Here we have the start of the Eagle Rock Trail system.